Since launching in 2019, the Yamaha Tenere 700 has been the best-selling mid-size adventure motorcycle in the market. For the year model 2023, Yamaha is making subtle changes in order to stay relevant in their segment and stay ahead of the competition. Performance remains unchanged, as it continues to be powered by the 689cc parallel twin, producing 74 horsepower and 50 foot-pound of torque. The new 5-inch TFT color dash has two different themes, replacing the outdated look of the black and white LCD on both the Tenere 700 and the Rally Edition. Both models will now be equipped with a communication control unit that enables Bluetooth smartphone connectivity. Once connected, the rider will be able to see notifications of incoming calls, emails, and text messages on the new 5-inch TFT screen. The rider will also be able to monitor key parameters of the bike via My Ride app. Remote ABS, the improved system enables the rider to select full on, meaning full ABS, front wheel on, rear wheel off, and full off. An optional quick shifter system is now available as a Yamaha genuine accessory. The front brake lever has been redesigned to withstand accidental damage if the machine falls down. A new USB socket replaces the previous 12-volt design, and it now comes standard with LED turn signals. The question that you have to ask yourself is it worth the upgrade? Thank you for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on my next video.